Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. I am not going to be long. I just want to do a quick thank you. A quick yes guys, Kaylan enjoyed her day. Blessing us with, with life. Blessing us with life and, love and prosperity and all the good things that God has been doing in our lives. I want to say a special thank you to the nurses at UE. They have been amazing. I love them all. And I want there's two beautiful lady there that really pulled through and made it happen for me. One is a sister and one is a nurse. They're at UE. They know themselves. I won't call their names on air, but I want to thank you, Miss Sister B and Nurse G. They know themselves. I want to thank you guys for making it happen, for making my Kaylan feel special. I greatly appreciate it. To everybody who wished her a happy birthday, Cheyenne, could you stop for 5 seconds, please? Thank you. Everybody who made it happen, I thank you for pulling through for her. You guys who reached out and sent a lot of birthday wishes, birthday, videos, birthday, whatever you did to make, her day special. I thank you for those persons who, got her gifts. I thank you. Those who sent money to buy gifts, I also greatly thank you. She didn't get the blonde wig, but she is getting the blonde wig. She's getting I'm making sure that everything on that list, she's getting them. But I'm not a stupid person. I think I don't waste money and I don't waste resources. So me, I go find it the cheapest way I can and the easiest way I can. So, but she's getting everything on that list. So thank you guys, Facebook family, YouTube family, this beautiful Instagram family, her hospital family, ICU family. I love you guys. I thank you. Yesterday it was all joy and tears, and I am happy. It all turned out beautifully. So thank you guys. I won't be long. Remember to spread the love and treat each other with kindness. And remember, it pays to be nice. It pays to be nice. Kindness goes a long way. And it might just change somebody's life, change somebody's day. So spread all the love you got inside of you. And if you don't got love inside of you, I pray that you find love inside of you. And I'm giving you love. I'm loving on you. So if you feel like nobody loves you, text me. I'll tell you I love you, because everybody deserves to be loved. I will continue to pray and keep steadfast. Kaylan is coming through. She's going to come out shining. She's going to come out strong. I have no doubt, no fear within me that she is going to make it. She is already making it. She's already a winner, already an overcomer. And I'm grateful, grateful, grateful to the Most High God for bringing her this 18 years old. Big milestone for her. And Marie, I did start to do that post and I was told not to. So I took back down whatever I posted. There are some persons who got to see her, who was quick enough to catch the picture. But I'm sorry, guys, you know. I'm so sorry. But time, it's coming down to the wind where we can post a lot of things and we can share, and you guys can watch and map her daily routine, daily journey. It's gonna come down to that, and you all will be a part of it as you have already been a part from day one. So I am happy. What did I was going to Chrissy won me. I have not seen that hairdresser. I have the hairdresser. Yes, someone did promise to do her hair. I ended up combing her hair. Nobody showed up to do her hair. So no, she did not get the blonde wig as yet. But delayed does not mean denied, right? So I am not worried about it. And in your lives, not because you don't get what you want immediately does not mean it will not come. Sometimes we need to just exercise some patience and have some faith. And sometimes we just need to sit still and trust God. Oh, Essie Noy said, yes, I saw her. Looks lovely, lovely. I'm glad a few of you got the chance to see her. Sorry for those who didn't. I'm so sorry, but I had to take it down. As you guys can see, I did try. For the guys who got to see her, please tell everybody else that, hey, I got to see her. Mommy did post, but she took it down so that they can stop killing me, stop bashing me, and thinking that I don't want to post. I do. So I'm just saying thank you. This is just to say thank you to you guys for helping to make her day a special one. I want to tell him, give a small joke before me go away. When I went to the hospital this morning, I am tired, guys. I was sleep, me I go sleep. But because I said I'm not going to let the day finish and I don't give a little shout out and a thank you to you guys, you know. When I went to the hospital this morning, bloggers on YouTube be talking about she's out and home. Guys, that's crazy. That's crazy. The day when Kaylan is going home, she said she going live. So Kaylan said she going live when she going. So when me I go on my yard, me I go live. So I don't know what they're talking about. Kaylan is in ICU same way. So I don't know where they get the crazy information. I realize most of the bloggers, they just post things to stay relevant because they know that Kaylan is a touchy topic and people will gravitate to whatever they post. I think they're just using it for the publicity, you know, and to get likes and views. But, you know, they must be mindful and try and understand that there are persons involved who it will not sit well, right? So they must not play with these things, you know. It can hurt some people. It can hurt me and her. So I'm asking guys, the bloggers, if it's not a factual statement or a factual post, please do not post it. Please source your information properly and make sure that's good journalism. A good journalist always recheck his source to make sure that the information that he is sending out, he or she's sending out, is actually the truth. Stop sending fake news, guys. doesn't look good on your part as a journalist or as an aspiring journalist or blogger. So if you didn't hear it from me, guys, it is not so. And the way me I got excited that the day the all me I go live, so I'm sorry for them. Because once she step out that door, she's all mine and God's. So we going live. So I want you guys to bear in mind that if you're not hearing it from me, then it's not the truth. Be very transparent. Because if I could post all, I would post all. Right? Do your job properly, journalists. Please. No, she's not breathing on her own. Guys, I want you to follow the updates because I can't go over every single detail when I come on live. She's still on and off the vent. She's still on the vent. If she was breathing on her own, she would not be in ICU. She's still in ICU, guys. So I'm just asking you to bear with that. And keep praying, please. We need prayer more than anything else in this world. The prayers are what got us this far. And I am praying that she will get, completely off the vent. But we need your guys' help. We can't ease up. We can't cease with the prayers, because this is what, the more we pray, the stronger she will get, because we will activate our faith and activate what God is doing. So let's call on the angels to do what God has instructed them to do on our behalf.